So I don't read
Yeah.
reviews because it's like, I'm putting myself out there. This is this is my craft. This is our craft. This is my guy's craft. This is what they do, and they care a lot. They put 100% effort every single day. So I see the effort, and then somebody might just say something negative. Be constructive. That's what I always said. If you're gonna say something negative, just say why or whatever it might be.
Yeah,
Just
be
don't-
constructive.
Yeah, exactly.
Give us something that we can improve on.
Exactly.
Like,
yeah.
don't just be a hater,
Yeah, I don't go. I don't go to you. You're a doctor. I don't go to your doctor's office and I tell you what to do. You know what I mean? Like I trust you. Like, trust us.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what we do. So,
Yeah, totally.